Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn and today we'll be making this healthy, quick and delicious egg sauce pasta that can be whipped up under 30 minutes. Now you can make different variations of this recipe by adding some shrimp, some mushrooms or even some shredded chicken. Now before we begin, if you're new to my channel or haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more amazing recipes and also hit the like button if you enjoyed today's recipe. To begin, I already have some water heating up. I'm just going to add some cooking oil, some salt, and then my pasta. Now all the ingredients I'll use for this recipe will be listed in the description box down below. At this point, my pasta has been cooking for about 8 to 9 minutes. I'll take it off the heat, drain it, and then we'll go over to making our sauce. And for my sauce, I'll start by adding some oil into my pan. Then once my oil is hot, I'll add some sliced onions and I'll saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes until my onions are nice and fragrant. So you can definitely cut your onions however you like it. The size or the shape doesn't really matter. Next, I'll be adding some chopped tomatoes and I'll stir and let this fry until the water evaporates and my tomatoes are soft. So what we're looking for is a nicely fried tomatoes. Now if you're still watching and haven't already given the video a thumbs up, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already for more amazing recipes. So yeah, the tomatoes look perfect, and at this point I'll be adding my spices. And for my spices, I have some curry powder, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some dried thyme, some cayenne pepper, and some salt. Now I'm just going to pour everything into my sauce and I'll give this a nice stir. Now the heat for this dish is going to come from the cayenne pepper, but if you prefer your dish without some heat, you can always leave that out. Like I said earlier, you can always make different variations of this dish. You can also add some bell peppers to this recipe for some extra flavor and color. Now this looks perfect and the flavors have had time to marry. So I'm just going to add some sausages to this and then I'll give it a nice stir before adding our eggs. Now at this point, my sausages have been frying for about a minute and this is the perfect time to add our last ingredient for this recipe, and that's my eggs. My eggs have been seasoned with some salt and here I have about 3 eggs. Once I've poured my eggs, I'm just going to begin stirring. I'll keep my sauce moving because I don't want my eggs to set. Now what I'm actually looking for is a saucy egg sauce, if you know what I mean, and this should be done on very low heat. Next, I'll be pouring in my pasta and I'll begin to stir everything in. And at this point, you can taste and adjust your seasonings. Other than that, after stirring, your pasta is ready to go. Now you'll agree with me that this is an easy recipe that you can make for your family and there's very little prepping to be done and it always turns out so delicious. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. You can also check out some of my other videos, and until my next one, bye guys.